10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Solved Online, the online business information solution service through legislation.gov.uk for all clients at all levels in all problems. And today's topic is Solved Online legislation update for business solutions and mandated and Trust Territories Act 1947 summary. Like I say, this program will be 15 minutes, and also dictionary, which is to show the root meaning of words in law for business solutions, will be at the end. Again, Solved Online YouTube platform is the report on business solutions through legislation.gov.uk for by reviewing and highlighting past and present acts. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to help build a global online business solution system on accountability, sustainability, and transparency in growth and protection. The motto Solved Online knows that there is no business like the king's business. Also, like I say, we provide solutions, again, discoveries, documents, proof, show demonstrations, direction, instruction, accuracy, and correction. Let's get to that 1,000 subscribers to start that online webinar, seminar, tutorial to teach everyone how to research like a barrister, solicitor, lawyer, to gain the best in their, again, business, in their life, to protect and to grow the business and their life. So, again, as that is said, we're going to go over to where legislation.gov.uk to see any updates for, again, our life. This is parliamentary business, and you know, with parliamentary business, it controls our life day in and day out. So we have to be up to date with all of these things that we need to know about, because you can see there's a big change going on. So like I say, we are on legislation.gov.uk now. Just gonna press a few buttons and send off certain links that needs to be sent off, because like I say, it's getting more and more serious in these times. So you know, we need to make sure that everything what is, let me hear it. All right, so we're gonna make sure everything is connected now. So we're gonna go to the home page, and now we're gonna go down to legislation published recently, and the UK statutory instruments. There are 10. So we're gonna click on these, and then we're gonna go in. So now, like you see, like I said, 10 of these statutory instruments, and the first one is designation of school having a religious character, England Order 2020. The next one again is the designation of schools having a religious character, Independent Schools, England Order 2020. And then the next one is the Coronavirus Act 2020, Residential Tenancy, Protection from Eviction Amendment, England Regulations 2020. That is very important for anyone, again, going through this type of hassle. Again, the next one is the Health Protection Coronavirus International Travel, England Amendment number 11, Regulations 2020. Like I say, anyone that are traveling internationally, check this out. Also, the next one is the Adoption and Children Coronavirus Amendment number 2, Regulations. So, like I say, these are all for different individuals going through different circumstances. The next one is the School Discipline, England Coronavirus Pupil Expulsion and Reviews Amendment number 2, Regulations 2020. And then you have, again, the power to award degrees, etc., Arden University Limited Order 2020. And the next one, you have the power to award degrees, etc., Warwickshire College Order of Council 2014 Amendment Order 2020. And then you have the next one is the power to award degrees, etc. The Ashridge So it's Ashridge, Bonner Law Memorial Trust Order of Council 2014 Amendment Order 2020, and the last one is the power to award degrees, etc. BPP University Limited Order of Council 2013 Amendment Order 2020. So there's a lot of changes going on. Like I say, like these things are very much important to, again, your life, your children's life. So it's good to look into, and it's good to ask question about. And again, Solved Online is the place to ask question to find out what is going on. So it's a good thing. So once everything is, again, what
Up to the time.
we know that everything is what
Clear. Good to
right, and that's what it is now. Yeah, clear. So we know we're gonna go over to the main topic of the day, and we have again comment. Always appreciate Monica Taylor for passing through, and it's like I say, Grand Friday South Online, perfect knowledge for the end of the working week. Yes, that is very true. Yeah, so we're gonna go into the summary now. So let's go. Yeah, and while we're here, so we just do that. Again, should be the right one, and then we just press. Should come up with the right result. Yeah. So again, we do the title in the box. Then press search. Anything you have accurate, it will come up accurate. It's a UK Public General Act. So again, we just click there, and it's already have everything laid out. So we just go to open the whole act. So we got a proper format to go through a summary. Like I say, this is following the act previously. I was just showing you how war and the business of war break up a lot of, again, organization, a lot of you know establishment that is already established in the way of, again disrupt, or again have everyone confused. That is very important, like, to know about these things, and to know, like I say, what is going on. So we have, like I say, the Mandated and Trust Territories Act 1947, and it states an act to make provision as to the application and modification of enactments in relations to mandates of the League of Nations and the trusteeship system of the United Nations. So look at this. As you can see, like I say, there's things being changed very much. So now I'm gonna go into a little bit, say, read certain things just to give you, like I say, a rundown. And for those that may not be, clearly too. So we're just gonna read certain parts. So again, so this part should, really should clear out everything that needs to be cleared out. So it goes application and modification of enactments, the operation of an enactment in relation to any trust territory. A shall, whilst the territory is a trust territory under the sole administration of any government, be the same as if a mandate of the League of Nations in respect of the territory were being exercised by that government. Again, B shall not, except by virtue of the foregoing paragraph, be affected by reason one of the territory beginning a trust territory, or two, of any change in the authority responsible for administrating the territory, which takes place on its beginning a trust territory, or whilst it is a trust territory. So again, as you can see, it's showing you what not, things not supposed to change. And again, like I say, just giving you a rundown of trust territories, so you can look up what trust territories are. So it's very important. Again, and I did run down what trust territories mean. So those that are given over to a certain, like I say, administration to administrate. Yeah, so again, this section goes, this subsection shall be deemed to have had effect from the 13th day of December, the 19th hundred at 146, being the date on which the first trust territories were established. Yeah, so that's what it is. This one's very important. So, whereby any enactment, whether passed or made before or after the termination of the League of Nations, refers in wherever terms to mandate territories or any description of mandate territories. Mandate of the League shall not, for the purpose of that enactment, be deemed to have come to an end with the termination of the League. So it continues. So whatever again territories that was with the League of Nations is still operating again. So I could say that there is still thing going on undercover. Like I say, this subsection shall be deemed to have an effect from the date of the termination of the League of Nations. For the foregoing provisions of this act, except the last foregoing subsection, shall apply only to enactment contained in acts of earlier sessions that than this act, and to enact an enactment contains in with the instruments having effect under such acts, and the application of the foregoing provisions of this act to enactments contained in instruments having effect under any act may be included whole or in part by any instruments having effect under that act. So, like I say, it's very important, trying to change things, giving the administration the power. So, if administration creates a instrument, like say it's showing it can change the actual act, by repeating them. So like I say, it's very important to understand this legislation and what it's actually, saying. Subject to, so five, subject to the laws foregoing subsection, this act shall apply to an enactment, notwithstanding that the effect is to be imposed a charge on the people or on public funds. Like I say, that also this again impose a charge on the people or on public funds. Like, so these are very, like I say, very very important things to really know about, really speak about, and it shows you in short title and interpretation. This act may be cited as the Mandate and Trust Territories Act 1947. And it goes in this act, the expression trust territories means a territory for the time being administrated under the trusteeship system of the United Nations. So, as you can see, United Nations have a lot of powers when it comes to operating certain, again, actions in regarding to territories, that may not be in the rightful trustees and but again these are for, like I said, as you can see, the English system have very much power or administration to be able to create instructions for every single international purpose. So like I say, there is this body of legislation.gov.uk is very powerful and very direct and very much accurate when it comes to having the right information to change a lot of things in regards to, again, legislation and action that takes place. So now we're gonna go to, again, dictionary, to kind of close because like I say, it's Friday. I know, again, the law on a Friday, whoa, like I say, no one not really up to that, par when it comes to, wanting to really get into the law as much. So just like I say, to promote this information is to promote again Solved Online and the place that you can come, like I say, Monday to Friday and view important information that is accurate, direct, and accountable and sustainable and transparent. So that's what it is. So now we're gonna get into mandate. Mandate is very important. So again, just to get if the word is correct, yeah, mandated. So you're just gonna go. It goes a command order or mandate. A command order or direction written or oral which court is authorized to give and person is bound to obey. And it shows you, okay, verse 2, a judicial command or was it precept proceedings from a court or judicial officer directing the proper of proper officer to enforce a judgment, sentence, or decree. Okay, so very important and good. So and it goes like I say, a precept of order issued under the decision of a appeal or a writ of error, directing actions to be taken or disposition to be made of case by inferior court. Yeah, just gonna read more. Again, in some of the states' jurisdiction, the name mandate has been substituted for mandamus as the formal title of that writ. Very important. Like I say, yo, the family, if you're watching this, like I say, very important. A bailment of property in regards to which the bailee engages to do some act without reward. Very important, like I say, yeah. So we're gonna stop there, and that is very clear enough. So with that said, you don't know everything is well. Yeah, like I say.
Up to the time.
All right, yeah. So I don't know. We're gonna close Friday. Good timing as well. And yeah, solved online, the online business information solution service through legislation.gov.uk for all clients at all levels and no problem. And today's title was solved online, legislation updates for business solutions and mandated and trust territories act 1947. Yeah, like I say, solved online YouTube platform is to report on business solutions through legislation.gov.uk by reviewing and highlighting past and present acts. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to help build a global online business solution system on accountability, sustainability, and transparency in growth and protection. The motto Solved Online knows that there is no business like the king's business. Yeah, and like I say, we are good to go. It's Friday, so bless everyone. Give thanks and praise and appreciation.